This is our favorite place at Enger Tower. It's the bell. I'm going to have to look up what it's called again. What's the bell called again, boys? What does it say there? And it was a gift from where?
Africa.
No.
Yeah.
Tristan, where does it say it was a gift from? The boys love ringing the bell. Look on the little sheet, you guys. Where was it a gift from?
I don't know, Africa?
Tanner, quit being silly. It's a gift from China. Careful, there's little kids there. Hey Tristan, are you gonna ring the bell? Good job. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Tristan, look at Mom. Smile. Smile, Tan. Don't be silly. Smile at your mom.